Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to sell directly on Facebook and IG, Facebook Shop is essential. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect Shopify to Facebook Shop in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, you're gonna go ahead and start by opening your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way to shopify.com. Open the Shopify basically here screen, make sure you log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go and log into the settings, app and sales channel. So I'm gonna tap on settings, wait a couple seconds, go all the way through the sales channels, make sure everything is looking good on my store point of sale. Then go all the way to apps. Tap on Shopify App Store. Where basically it's time now to go and look for Facebook and IG so we can download the app to sign in and connect to your Meta Business Manager. So basically you're gonna go tap on install, give it all of the permissions needed, then select your commerce account. Choose or create a Facebook commerce account, then sync your product catalog. Allow Shopify to sync products automatically. Then enable Facebook Shop, turn on Facebook Shop during the setup, then review your products. Meta basically will do a small review. It will take you from 2 to 1 day, depends. Then publish the shop. Once approved, your Facebook shop goes live. And that's it. That's basically the main idea. You can also make sure products follow Meta commerce policies basically, so you don't want any problem with them. And verify your domain before publishing, it's important as well. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.